Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I will show you how to solve this issue of virtualization disabled on BlueStacks. After installing BlueStacks, I have this error message anytime I open it. So let's close it and see. Right, so it's now closed. So if I open the BlueStacks, right, we have this error message, error virtualization disabled. So, and due to this error, it says you have to enable the hardware visualization. So that is because our visualization on this PC is not enabled. So we had to enable it. Now, if you check on your taskbar, so right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. And if you go to Performance, right, under the Performance, you go to CPU. So click on CPU and you can see here we have visualization and it's disabled, and as you can see here, visualization is disabled. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. So in order for us to enable this visualization mode, we just have to go into our PC BIOS settings and do some few configurations to enable the visualization. So let's shut down our PC and go into our BIOS settings. Now let's restart the PC and go into the BIOS settings and enable the visualization. Right, so whilst it's restarting, so my machine is a Dell PC, so I'll use F2 key to enter my BIOS settings. Now once you are in your BIOS settings, so depending on your PC, so if your PC is HP, you can use F10 to enter the BIOS settings. If Lenovo, depending on your PC, do a research on get the BIOS key through online and use that to enter your PC BIOS settings. For us, in my case, my own is a Dell PC, and the key to enter the BIOS settings is F2. So I just press F2 and I'm now inside my BIOS settings. Right, so and depending on your system UI interface, as you can see, this is my interface, how it looks like. So for some you have to go to security, but in this PC, this case, you have to go to advanced. Now advanced, you can see we have here virtualization now, and you can see here it is disabled. So let's press enter and you can see we have these options, disable and enable. So you select enabled. Right, so it is now enabled. And on some PCs you have to go to security options to see this visualization, but for my case, as I said, it's on advanced mode. So it's now enabled, and let's save and exit and go into the PC and see if it is enabled. Right, so once you are there, so just press and exit and save settings. Right, so now once our PC has booted again, so let's check on the taskbar to see if our virtualization is enabled. So let's get that. So just click on your taskbar or start button, right click on that, and as you can see, we have Task Manager here. Right, so once you just click on that, or you can press Ctrl Alt Delete and you should be able to have access to the Task Manager. And then once our Task Manager is visible, you just go to Performance. Now under the Performance, once again, you can see now we have the visualization enabled here. We have the visualization here and it's enabled. So now let's open our BlueStack to see if it's working normal, if it will work normal. Right, so close this. Now this is our BlueStack. Open that again. Right, and as you can see, our BlueStack is loading now. It's no more popping up that message of visualization error or visualization error, and that is just how easy and simple it is. Now once your BlueStacks opens, you can log in and start to install or download whatever that you want on your BlueStack. So guys, that is just how easy and simple to solve this issue of visualization error. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next one. Peace out.